So something we get asked often is it possible to filter the hypergrid? The hypergrid, as many of you know, is a super fast canvas-based data grid that comes out the box with fewer features than other grids, but allows you to add many of these yourself. And one of those features which you can add yourself and which we've done in the Adaptable Blotter is grid filtering. So this video will just show you some of the things that we've added, and there's lots more we don't have time to show you. So the most common way to filter is often at column level, and we've added a little filter thing here, which when you click it, opens a filter box. In fact, let's use a dark theme for a change, because I do all my videos with a light theme. So when you click in the filter box, you can then choose whatever you want. So let's imagine you're interested in Belgium, Holland, and Luxembourg. Then you can filter those, and that's obviously all that you see. Additionally, you can filter on as many columns as you want. So let's say go into the bid column. This probably won't make a lot of sense. And you can then, instead of just using column values or the column filters we provide, you can do your own ranges. So for instance, we can say we want to see anywhere where the bid is between 100 and 200. And there we are, anything between 100 and 200 for Belgium, Holland, and Luxembourg. And then obviously you can add as many as you want. You can see them here, so you can see what we're filtering on. You can actually also filter against another column. So if you want to say compare two date columns or two number columns, you can do that. This probably isn't a very good example, but let me show you what I mean by that. So for instance, we say we want to see the change on year where it's greater than, and instead of putting in a price, we're going to choose another column. So instead of a value, we're going to choose another column. We're going to actually choose the price column. So we've said where the value in this column is greater than the value in that column, and you can use any of the operators that you want. So that's our three filters. You can have a look at what they are here. You're able to clear them, and you're also able to take a look here and to clear them as well that way. So that's filtering at the column level. But what happens if you do the same filter again and again? If there's a particular filter that you're always applying, well, the Adaptable Blotter has a nice means to let you do that, often using what we call a user filter. So let's create a user filter now, and we'll create the one we created earlier. So we'll go into the country column, and we say we will have Belgium, Holland, and Luxembourg. So there's the three we want. Let's give that a name. We'll call it Benelux, because that's what they are. And there we are. So we've got a user filter called Benelux in the country column, and it's where the country is Belgium, Holland, or Luxembourg. Why is that useful? Well, for a start, I can now go back into my filter, and you can see I'm now able to filter on that here. So whenever I want, I can filter on Benelux, and it does that. I can clear, and it shows me everything. But the other nice thing about it is I can use that filter in lots of other functions. I can use it for advanced searching. I can use it when I create reports. I can use it in a whole load of things. Let's just give you a very quick example. Let's create a conditional style. We'll create a new style. We'll apply it at the row level. And we will say we want the back color to be yellow. We'll make the forecolor black. And we will say we will do it using that filter we just applied to the country. But instead of picking a value, we'll go into filters. And our Benelux now appears here. There we are, Benelux. Click next. You can see what the style is. Click finish. And then that style is applied wherever it's Benelux. And obviously, because everything is live, if I change Belgium to Brazil, then the row disappears. So that's filtering in the hypergrid. Very powerful. And everything you do, obviously, you can save, and you can then use it again in the future. Find out more, please get in touch. Thanks for watching.